Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we are going to now visualize the dynamic attribute symbols that we imported in the previous exercise. For that, we are going to now go to inside the objects branch in the map window configuration. We are going to go to symbols, and as we selected static previously to see which wells are oil producers, injectors, which are shut in with an static attribute that doesn't change over time, we are now going to select dynamic attribute. And here in dynamic attribute, we can see that the only one available for selection is extraction system because it's the only one that has information stored in it. And now we are reflecting the different extraction systems that we imported at each different date in the wells. So the key difference with the static attributes is that this is going to depend on time, so we can move the slider here and see the changes over time. We can see that here, for example, we have only socket rod pumps and ESP, electrical submersible pumps, and over time some of them switch. For example, these three on the south here switch to PCP, maybe because they have like high viscosity oil, or for example, we can see that we have this switch here with this pump on the south with just PCP, either because it has high viscosity or maybe sand production that we need to manage with a PCP. And then we can keep moving here and see the changes over time. We can see that we have now a PCP in the north. The PCP that were in the south were changed back to circular pumps, and we can see this change over time. We can further see more information here if we use the status attribute as a ring, and here we can see that we have the symbols inside the rings are going to be the extraction system. Here we can see that we have some producers where we don't have any extraction system, probably because they are shut in, but here we can see the position of the injectors as well. So here we can see that we have a little bit more of information by combining the static attribute, where we can see injectors and producers, as a ring, and we can also show the extraction system of the different wells with the symbols. So now we can see that a more complete picture with that. And remember, these are going to change over time, and the static attributes will not. So that will be everything for this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.